Hi, my name is Salazar. I'm an application engineer here at ASSA ABLOY. I'm going to demonstrate how to do a factory reset on one of our ASSA ABLOY ACCENTRA nexTouch digital deadbolts. Using a security hex wrench, remove the battery cover. Then remove the batteries. Next, you're going to remove the 3 screws. There's 2 at the top and then 1 below the thumb turn. This will allow you to look at the back of the interior scutcheon and locate the white reset button. Ensure that all your wire harnesses are properly connected, and at this time, reinstall 3 batteries. Begin to press and hold the white reset button. While you're holding the button, you're going to enter the last battery. And after 3 seconds, let go. 1, 2, 3. Unit will say factory reset complete.
Factory reset completed.
At this time, it's okay to reassemble the unit. To register your master code, we're going to wake up the lock. You can use the back of your fingers or the palm of your hand.
Register master code. Press the gear key to continue.
Going to press the gear key.
Enter a 4 to 8-digit PIN code. Press the gear key to continue.
My master code will be 1234, followed by gear.
Registered. Factory reset completed. Touch the keypad for handing lock.
Gonna press the keypad. Now I'm gonna enter my master code. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it unlocked the door. At this time, it's okay to configure or reconfigure the unit. And that's how you'd factory reset an ASSA ABLOY ACCENTRA nexTouch digital deadbolt, and how you register your master code. For more information or assistance, please give us a call at 1-800-810-9473 or contact us via email at support.aehd@assaabloy.com. Thank you.